What's up, Winx fans, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most epic moments in all of Winx Club history. Season 2, Episode 22. The legendary showdown where light finally triumphs over darkness. Get ready, because this episode is an absolute roller coaster of emotions and power. So, let's set the scene. The entire magic dimension is on the brink of collapse. Lord Darkar has finally captured Bloom and corrupted her with his dark magic, turning her into Dark Bloom. His plan is to force her to use the dragon flame to open the portal to the realm of Relic and claim the ultimate power. Everything the Winx and the specialists have fought for is hanging by a thread. The situation looks absolutely hopeless. We see Dark Bloom, her eyes cold and empty, standing before Darkar. He's gloating, completely confident in his victory. The other Winx are trapped, forced to watch as their best friend is used as a pawn in this cosmic game of evil. The specialists are fighting desperately, but Darkar's shadow creatures are overwhelming them. It's pure chaos, and for a moment, it really feels like this is the end. You can feel the despair as Stella, Flora, Musa, Tecna, and Layla call out to Bloom, trying to reach the friend they know is still inside. But then, something incredible happens. Just as Darkar is about to succeed, Sky does something unbelievably brave. He steps forward and confesses his love for Bloom. He tells her how much she means to him, reminding her of who she truly is, a fairy of light, a princess, and his one true love. And his words, filled with so much genuine emotion, act like a key. They pierce through the layers of dark magic, reaching the real Bloom trapped inside. This is the turning point, the moment we've all been waiting for. We see a flicker in Dark Bloom's eyes. Sky's love acts as a catalyst, and Bloom begins to fight back from within. She remembers her friends, her family, her home, and all the good she stands for. It's a powerful internal battle, and through sheer force of will, she starts to purify herself. The shadows recede, and the pure, brilliant light of the dragon flame bursts forth, completely shattering Darkar's control. Bloom is back. And she's not just back, she's more powerful than ever. With the dragon flame fully restored and purified, she turns her attention to Darkar. But she's not alone. This is where the true magic of the Winx Club shines. The girls unite, combining their powers in a breathtaking convergence attack. Stella's light, Flora's nature, Musa's music, Tecna's technology, and Layla's fluids all merge with Bloom's dragon flame. This combined power is something Darkar has never faced before. The force of their friendship and their harmonized magic creates a blast of pure energy that slams into him. He's weakened, his dark form starting to destabilize. The balance of the magic dimension begins to shift back towards the light. The teachers and specialists, seeing this incredible display, are re-energized and push back the shadow creatures with renewed hope. In the end, this episode isn't just about a magical battle. It's a powerful lesson. It teaches us that no matter how dark things get, the light of love and friendship can break through. Bloom's journey shows that our true strength comes from who we are inside, and the bonds we share with others. Darkar had the ultimate power within his grasp, but he underestimated the one thing he could never understand: love. The Winx prove that together, they are an unstoppable force, capable of overcoming any evil. What an incredible episode, right? It perfectly encapsulates everything we love about Winx Club. Let me know in the comments what your favorite moment from this episode was. Was it Sky's confession, Bloom's transformation, or that epic final convergence? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Winx Club content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.